beautiful view from up the top of the Buddha. That's the back of the Buddha. Take it around here to the front. It's absolutely beautiful up here. You would think it'd be cooler, but it's pretty warm. The walk up here is 17 stories, I believe. We made it though. Plus about a 2-mile up in the air tram ride. Here's some little offerings to the Buddha. It's probably 30 foot tall. There's a little village. There's a Buddhist temple and a little rework. Here's what we all came to see right here. There's the Buddha. Ow. Here's the walk up. And in a few minutes to walk down. Complete the walk around. One of the nice things, we get a free water and an ice cream for coming up this tile. Guess that's more of a survival food to, kind of get you back cooled down a little bit. It is pretty spectacular up here. That concludes the Buddha walk around.